There is some event ongoing. I think
Incredibly,
there.
it's been so far. We've enjoyed fantastic performances and the celebration of our diverse dance traditions. It's been an amazing moment to behold. To continue this wonderful night, we have something very special planned for you. At this time, we'd like to pass the torch for the remainder of the show to the Mount Aerosmith Pipe Band. This remarkable band was formed in 1975 and hails from the oceanside communities of Vancouver Island, comprising of members of all ages and backgrounds. The one thing they all share is a deep love for Christ and a steadfast commitment to bringing traditional
It's
French
a
music to
beautiful
community.
program.
In a few moments, the Mount Aerosmith Pipe Band will begin their parade along the waterfront starting just over by the Lighthouse Pub, and they'll continue their way here, completing their parade right in front of the Lions Pavilion. Here they'll run some drills and entertain us with their captivating music until approximately 7:30. To accommodate the band, we ask everyone kindly to clear some space in the center of the field just in front of this dance floor. We'd really appreciate that so much. And before we proceed, we'd also like to gratefully acknowledge everyone's support and participation in this event.